Hello students, welcome at quantaptitude.com. In the next type of problem in problem solving are the problem based on conditional selections. Like from amongst 6 boys A, B, C, D, E and F and 5 girls P, Q, R, S and T, a team of 6 has to be selected under the following conditions. So first of all, just read the question. You can see that the useful secondary information is given, and in useful secondary information there are two groups. The first one is the group of boys, that is 6 boys, and the second one is group of girls, that is 5 girls are there. Okay, so we have to combine a team. हमें एक टीम बनानी है ऑफ 6 पर्सन और इस कंडीशंस को सिलेक्ट करके बनानी है. ओके, so what does mean by the conditional selection? So in this type of question, a group of object like 6 boys and 5 girls or person has to be selected from a larger group. हमें एक टीम बनानी है. We have to combine a team of 6 person from a larger group, that 6 boy group from 6 boys and 5 girls. So there are some restrictions. Then the following restrictions, follow the restriction and answer the questions. So what is the restriction here? That A and B have to be together. C can't go with S. S and D have to be together. B can't be teamed with E. D can't go with P. B and R have to be together, and C and Q have to be together. So there are 7 condition, or we can say 7 restriction, and we have to combine, or we have to create a team of 6 person. Means we have to create a group from a larger group. And what does larger group mean here? The group of 6 boys and 5 group considered to be as the larger group. So the suggested method to solve this type of problem is that group all the pairs that have to be together on one side, and the pairs must not be together on the other side. Definitely हमें एक साइड में एक ग्रुप को कंबाइन करना है जो एक साथ हो, और दूसरी साइड में जो ग्रुप को कंबाइन करना है जो एक साथ नहीं हो. सो वी कैन समराइज दिस. read the question. A and D have to be together. A and D have to be together. A, what is A here? Boy. What is D here? Boy. Okay, so the must be together group. Okay, so must be together group are A and D. A is boy, so plus. D is also boy, so plus. मैंने बताया how to solve these type of problems. That group all the pairs that have to be together on one side, and the pair that must not be together on the other side. So must be together on the one side. in उसमें क्या आएगा आपका A and D. ठीक है, and S and T have to be together again. So S and T is also there. S and T. So what is S here? Girl. And what is T here? Also girl. देखो, S एक girl है, T भी girl है. Now next, B and R have to be together, and C and Q have to be together. So B is a boy, R is a girl, C is a boy, Q is a girl. So they also B and R together. Similarly, C and Q together. B is a boy, C is a girl, R is a girl, C is a boy, Q is a girl. Now this is the must be together group, and the never be together group considered here. So never be together group में क्या आएगा आपका? C cannot go with S. C S के साथ नहीं जाएगा. It means never be together. C never be together with S. C is boy, S is girl. Again, B can't be teamed with E, and D can't go with P. D E के साथ नहीं रहेगा, and D P के साथ नहीं रहेगा. B is boy, D is boy, E is also a boy, and P is girl here. So B can't with E, so plus and plus. And if we are talking about D, is can't teamed with P. So D is a boy and P is a girl. Okay. So now let's read questions one by one. If there be 5 boys in the team, the only girl is. Tell me, if there be 5 boys in the team, then only girl is. We have to create a team of 6 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 5 boys. Now we see that from the group. Check from the group. B and E can never be together. Never be together. Okay, hence there are only 2 ways of selecting 5 boys because there are 6 boys. No? A, B, C, D, E and F, 6 boys. B and D ये दोनों तो एक साथ नहीं आएंगे. ओके, अब क्या करेंगे हम? बी हमारे पास या तो आएगा ए बी सी डी एफ या आएगा ए सी डी ई एफ बिकॉज बी और ई एक साथ नहीं आएंगे. ओके, सो हमने क्या किया? 2 ways of selecting boys. The first one is A, B, C, D, F. The second one is A, C, D, E, F. क्योंकि B और E एक साथ नहीं आएंगे. Now the first possibility is not possible because B would go, then R should also go. Check the must be group. मस्ट बी ग्रुप में क्या है? अगर बी होगा तो उसके साथ आर डेफिनेटली होगा. बी होगा उसके साथ आर डेफिनेटली होगा. या रिमेंबर, सो इफ बी गो देन आर डेफिनेटली गो विद देम. ओके, तो एक तो ये हो सकता है हमारा. एंड हेंस वी कैन सी दैट okay, B would if B would go then R should also go, and if C goes then Q also go. अगर C होगा तो Q भी होगा उसके साथ. Okay, hence A E C D F is the only possibility, in which case C's friend Q would be the lone girl member. A C D E F and Q. Why? Because C की जो मेंबर है वो कौन सी है? Q है. हम यहाँ से देख सकते हैं C की जो मेंबर है वो क्या है? Q. C member of C is Q. If we can consider C here, then the member of C is Q. Similarly इस क्वेश्चन के 2 आंसर भी हो सकते हैं. लाइक B's अगर होगा तो R भी होगा. R is also a girl. So if there be 5 boys in the team, the only girl member is here C and Q. और इसके अंदर जो पेयर है, पेयर के अंदर देखो अगर हम बात करें, C के साथ Q रिप्रेजेंट हो रहा है एंड B के साथ R रिप्रेजेंट हो रहा है. सो R इज ऑल्सो आ करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ इफ including P, the team has 3 girls. The member other than P are. ये कैसे सोल्व करेंगे? So you don't need to check question again and again. Just eliminate the wrong options and you will get the correct answer. If including P, the team has 3 girls. The member other than P are. Okay. Choice B and C. बी और सी में देखो क्या क्या है आपके पास? हैव डी. बी और सी में क्या क्या है आपके पास? डी. एंड डी कांट गो विद पी. डी कांट गो विद पी. ओके, डी पी के साथ नहीं जाएगा. हैंस बी एंड सी आर द रॉन्ग आंसर. डी इज नॉट करेक्ट. वाई? बिकॉज इट हैज़ मोर देन 3 गर्ल्स इंक्लूडिंग पी. पी के अलावा इसमें R, S और T 3 गर्ल्स है. जबकि इंक्लूडिंग P द टीम हैज़ 3 गर्ल्स. इंक्लूडिंग P द टीम हैज़ 3 गर्ल्स. अगर हम इसमें P को इंक्लूड कर लेते हैं तो R, S, T आर गर्ल्स 4 गर्ल्स होती है. तो गलत. तो हमारा ऑप्शन क्या होगा? सही, A. ओके, ऑन वेरीफाइंग वी कैन सी दैट A इज इंडीड द करेक्ट चॉइस. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज इफ द टीम इंक्लूडिंग C consist of 4 boys, the members of the team other than C are. So again going on the options, A is incorrect. Why? Because it has D and P together. इसमें क्या है, D और P together है, and we know that D can't be together with P. क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते टाइम आपको कंडीशंस रिमेंबर होनी चाहिए. कंडीशन क्या है, रिमेंबर की भी बात नहीं है, आप कंडीशंस को एक साइड में लिख सकते हैं और वहाँ से उसे देख सकते हैं. ओके, now choice C is incorrect. Why? Because it has only one girl, only Q. And what is the question? If the team including C consists of 4 girls, the members of the team other than C are, it means कि इसमें क्या है, 4 boys and 2 girls. But in option C there is only one girl, Q. Why? Because C including here na, C is a boy, A boy, B boy, E boy and F boy. Choice D is incorrect. Why? Because it has B and E together. But we know that B can't go with E. So ये भी गलत हो गया, ये भी गलत हो गया, ये भी गलत हो गया. Then option is D. Here C is a boy, A is a boy, B is a boy, D is a boy, and Q are girls. And now if 4 members including E have to be boys, a member other than E are. इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? अगेन फ्रॉम द ऑप्शंस, लाइक इफ 4 मेंबर्स इंक्लूडिंग E, 4 मेंबर है हमारे पास, उसमें से E इंक्लूड किया है, बॉयज़ हैं, तो 4 बॉयज़. अगेन यहाँ पे 4 बॉयज़ एंड 2 गर्ल्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चेक द ऑप्शंस. किसमें 2 गर्ल्स से 2 गर्ल्स है, इसमें भी Q आर 2 गर्ल्स, Q आर 2 गर्ल्स, एंड A C D F Q एक ही गर्ल है, तो ये ऑप्शन तो सीधा ही गलत हो गया. ओके, सो इन A and C we can see that they include B, which is impossible. Why? Because B cannot go with E. B cannot go with E means B के साथ E नहीं होगा, तो ये wrong. So your answer is B here. If 4 members have to be girls, the member of the team are 4 girls and 2 boys. 4 girls and 2 boys. Okay, then the team members are 6. तो 4 girls देखो, इसमें 4 girls है, P Q R S. Okay, 4 girls है, P R S T 4 girls and Q R S T 4 girls, P Q R T 4 girls. Okay, now we have to check which of the answer is there. So in A and C are incorrect. Why? Because they have C and S together. C and S, C and S. So C cannot go with S. ये दोनों wrong है. उसके बाद D is incorrect because it does not have S and T together. S and T must be together. So option is B is correct. So at the end of that part हमें क्या पता चला? What is the essential, what is the crucial part here? To make a group. हमें ग्रुप बनाना है मस्ट बी टुगेदर का एंड नेवर बी टुगेदर का. अगर आपने मस्ट बी टुगेदर का ग्रुप बना लिया अच्छे से, दैट ए बी मस्ट बी टुगेदर, एस एंड टी, जैसे लास्ट क्वेश्चन था उसमें हमारा था एस एंड टी ऑलवेज टुगेदर, तो उसमें अगर आपके पास टी है एस नहीं है तो आपका ऑप्शन रॉन्ग है. सी एंड क्यू ऑलवेज टुगेदर एंड नेवर बी टुगेदर का मतलब इसने जो बी कैनॉट गो विद ई, तो हमारा इस कंसेप्ट में बी कैनॉट गो विद ई, इसने हमारे मोस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए इसी कंसेप्ट में. तो एट द एंड ऑफ दैट पार्ट मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, जस्ट मेक ग्रुप, 2 ग्रुप दैट मस्ट बी टुगेदर ग्रुप एंड नेवर बी टुगेदर ग्रुप. ओके, so if you want more practice on that type of questions and any other decision making, data sufficiency, syllogism, deduction, arrangements and quant section, अगर हम बात करें probability, permutation, combination, which will ask e-litmus very frequently. e-litmus के अंदर बहुत frequently जो questions पूछे जाते हैं. Okay, in if you are talking about SBI POs, then जो डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशंस के जो क्वेश्चन है SBIP में, हाउ टू टैकल द डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन प्रॉब्लम्स, जस्ट सी द लेक्चर, जस्ट stay tuned at our Contempty channel and visit www.contempty.com for further videos, for further data for further study materials. If you want any personal assistant, then you can ask us at quantapti@gmail.com. So we are a team here to guide you for any kind of exam, whether it is E-Litmus, MCAT, or IBM iPad, or if we are talking about the banking exams like SBI PO, IBPS Specialist Officer, SBI Specialist Officer, and in SSC CGL or PSNL Junior Engineer, Airport Authority of India, Air Traffic Controller, and AO Airport Operations. Like if you have any query regarding any of the exam in India and in outside the India, like AccuPacer or ACT is also, and SAT, GRE, so you can ask us at aptquant@gmail.com. Thank you for watching these videos. Thank you very much.